Hello everyone, today I'm going to make the center insert that goes in the middle of my split top bench. Definitely a fast travel situation. So all that scrub plane work was to take the bow and twist out of this board so that the planer can take care of the rest. And it's pretty fast. It doesn't matter that the surface is all chewed up. The planer ignores that. And I end up with a flat and untwisted board at the end. Now you can hear I'm only hitting the high spots here initially. I'm not going to take this down to a perfect edge. It doesn't have to be perfect. Just can't have any spots that are too high to actually push the board off of the fence of the table saw. Alright, from my experience, that's good enough. If you need a perfect edge in your shop to put against the table saw, that's certainly up to you. Do what you feel comfortable with. Now, I know I'm covering this early process in a lot more detail than most of my videos where I just blaze through it in about 5 seconds, but I don't know, trying something new. If you hate it, smash dislike. Next, I resaw this board to get the two halves of the insert. So I've got all the pieces of the tool rest dimensioned. I just need to put one detail in the bottom of the two pieces that are actually going to support it on the metal base, and then it'll be time to put it all together. It's nearly finished, and you can see the functionality that lifts it up by 1/2 inch to be some kind of a plane to stop or whatever you need it to be, just by scooting it over about 3 inches. There's really just one more thing to do. I think one of the best features of a split top bench is that when you're doing a glue up or several operations, you can get a clamp down in the middle. Obviously you need to take the tool holder out to do that, and I don't want to be leaning it up against the wall. I want it to be housed in the bench and preserve that ability. Now, having the two sides of the bench connected down below the bottom surface of the bench allows me to drop this in upside down and still have enough room to get that clamp in. Problem is, I don't want these sticking up because they could interfere with whatever I have going on. So to get them out of the way, I need to cut a 1/2 circle on the top side so that it sits down a little further by about 1 inch, and then this thing will be finished. So there it is. I've got the standard middle insert tool holder functionality where it pops up 1/2 inch if that's needed because of the way it's meeting up with the supports underneath. And I can also flip it upside down and store it completely out of the way and low enough that I can get a clamp in to preserve that functionality that I think is really useful. So I'm pretty happy with this. Hope you found it interesting. Thanks for watching.